Hello everyone, today we are going to add music to our montage video. I have a timeline here with some footage for my montage, and it's not super exciting. This is just footage of my office. Anyway, I want to grab some music for that. So the first thing I do, I'm going to get some copyright-free music. So I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to type in YouTube audio library, and there it is. This is a great way to find tracks that are copyright free, and you can search here by filter. Let's look for the genre of music. How about we pick something, what should we pick? Let's do some cinematic music. And then once we pick the genre, we can still add more filters if we want. By let's look for a mood. I'm gonna do cinematic, funky music. How about that? I have no idea what to expect, but it came up with a few options. Looks like we only have 11 tracks to choose from, but you can choose to sample the music. If you listen real close, you might hear that coming through the speakers in the classroom. Cemetery Clown. Hey, that sounds interesting. Let's click that one. I like that. You click download track, and on your computer down here in the bottom left, you have a little arrow that you can click show in Finder, and that will show you where the file is located. We went to my downloads folder. That's the file. That is not where I want it. I want it to be in my project folder. So I'm going to right click this and copy that, and then I'm going to go find my project folder. Here's my music folder. I already have a couple of songs in here, and I'm going to paste that item. There it is. Cemetery Clown right there. Now that I've downloaded my music, I can go back to Premiere, and I can right click here and click import, or I can simply double click here and the import thing comes up. I can select the song, choose import, or let me just show you one other way. You can click on the Finder. There's my project folder with my music. If I want that song in there, I can just drag that right down. So there's multiple ways to import, but there I have it. If I want to see what it sounds like, I can drag it over to my timeline. Let's stick it right there. I push play. Kind of a strange office, so I think the music fits pretty good. Okay, so that's the idea of adding. So let's go ahead. Oh, maybe you want to see this. This is a nice picture of me the first year I was a teacher. Look at that. Alright. So you can see in the timeline, the song goes a lot longer than the video. So we can do the same thing with music that we did with our video clips. I could just cut it off right there. I could do the selection tool or the letter V and push delete, and it's gone. Now the music will stop. Or I could do something else. Maybe let's bring some of that music back. Maybe I want it to fade out. So what if I wanted it to fade? Let's zoom in on the timeline a little bit. I would need to make this track taller. I just hover my mouse in between those two tracks and click and drag. That makes a taller track, and there's a white line right in the middle. If I use my pen tool, I can say I want it to start fading out right there. Maybe I want it to be all gone by that point. Now when I listen to it, starts fading and goes to nothing. I could even grab my selection tool, drag the end of that song right to the end of the fade. There we go. And you can see my video is 56 seconds long. Why someone would want to watch 56 seconds of my office, I don't know. But now it's 51 seconds because I deleted the black space in front. Well, that's how you do it. I hope you have fun adjusting your audio.